In this video, I would like to explain how to form a linear equation for the given information and how to draw the graph for the given information. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is a lending library has fixed charge for the first 3 days and the additional charges for each day thereafter. John paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. If the fixed charge is rupees X and subsequent per day charges be rupees Y. So this is the given condition if the fixed charge be rupees X. So let the fixed charge. A lending library has fixed charge for the first 3 days. So for first 3 days, take as rupees X and the subsequent per day charge. Let subsequent per day charge means first 3 days rupees X, subsequent per day means on fourth day rupees Y, and fifth day rupees Y, like that. So this is the given information, and John paid rupees 27 for 7 days. This is the given information. So John paid rupees 27. By given information, out of 7 days, first 3 days charge is X, plus remaining out of 7 days 4 days. So these 4 days, each day subsequent charge is Y. So by the given information we can form an equation like that. By given data, the first 3 days charge is X. Out of 7 remaining 4 days, each day charge is subsequent charge is Y. John paid for 7 days rupees 27. So this is the equation. So take some points for the equation X, Y, X comma Y. I am taking 3 and 7. Suppose for 3 days, substitute in the X place 3. 3 plus 4y is equals to 27. Send 3 that side. 4y is equals to 27 minus 3. So that is 24. Then 4y is equals to 24. Y is equals to 24 by 4. That is equals to 6. So y value will be 6. So the point will be 3 comma 6. Suppose take 7. Substitute 7 in the X place. So 7 plus 4y is equals to 27. 4y is equals to 27 minus 7, 20. 4y is equals to 20 by 4. That is equals to 5. So next point is 7 comma 5. Suppose I am taking between the 3 and 7, I am taking 4. If X is equals to 4, substitute X in this place 4. 4 plus 4y is equals to 27. Then 4y is equals to 27 minus 4, that is 23. Y will be the 23 by 4. So it will be not an integer, it is a fraction. So no need to take this 4 value, 5 value. So to get integers, I am taking 3 and 7 values for the in the place of X. 3, 7 very small values, and Y values also 6, 5. So these are also very small values. So on the graph, on the x-axis, y-axis, take 1 centimeter as 1 unit on the both axes, and the fixed charge or first per 3 days charge is never be next. So take x-axis and y-axis corner. Take the x-axis and y-axis like this. On x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit. X-axis represents the fixed charge, so this represents fixed charge, and y-axis represents subsequent per day charge. The first point is 3, 6. When x is 3 and y is 6, so this is the point. And second point is 7, 5, and x is 7, y is 5. So this is the second point. Through these 2 points, draw a line. This is the required line. This line is also called as a graph. So this line is x plus 4y is equals to 27. Take the scale on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit. And the problem is not completed. Some questions are asked here. First one is, from the graph, if the fixed charge is ₹7, find the subsequent per day charge. So fixed charge indicates x-axis. If the fixed charge is ₹7, find the subsequent per day charge. So fixed charge is 7. So take dotted lines from 7 to the line x plus 4y is equals to 27. From this point, again draw a perpendicular line to this line at this point. So if the fixed charge is ₹7, the subsequent per day charge is ₹5. So 7, 5 this point. First one answer is, if the fixed charge is ₹7, then the subsequent per day charge is ₹5. And second question is, if the per day charge is ₹4, find the fixed charge. So observe this graph. Subsequent per day charge indicates y-axis. So per day charge, subsequent charge is ₹4. So from the ₹4, draw a line to line x plus 4y is equals to 27. Take dotted lines. So they intersected here. From this point, draw a perpendicular to these dotted lines to x-axis. So if the subsequent per day charge is ₹4, then the fixed charge will be ₹11. So this point indicates 11, 4. So the answer is, if the subsequent per day charge is ₹4, then the fixed charge will be ₹11. So finally the graph is over and we answered the given questions. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.